So you pull up to the gas station, but your fuel door won't open. What you need to find is something that you can wedge underneath this. For the Toyota RAV4, the key fob fits in there perfectly. Return to your fuel door, and it should open up. What happened in my case is the spring that attaches here has fallen off. So what this piece does is it sits inside the fuel door, and you can tell this piece here looks like it broke off right here. What I'm going to try to do is just glue this back on here into place. Got this piece glued back together. It'll just slide right in here and then snap into place here. And as you can see, spring is in place. Doing its job.